Let's get it. Today is going to be the first day of my 1K to 10K challenge. This challenge, unlike my staking challenge, is going to be done predominantly through swing trading. I just made my first transaction and I'm going to show you guys what I did and why I did it. Let's go. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Crypto Cabin. My name is Tom, and in today's video we're going to be going over my first transaction for my 1K to 10K challenge. If you're new to the channel, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, then hit that subscribe button and check that notification bell and select all so you get notified for when I post these new videos. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the challenge. Also, happy Christmas Eve, everybody. I'm not sure whether you celebrate Christmas or not. Regardless, hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season and have an awesome day tomorrow if you do celebrate Christmas Day. I hope you guys are able to relax, stay safe out there, and spend some time with friends and family in some way, shape, or form. Alright, let's jump right in. So the first transaction I made was actually purchasing some cake. So I did have about $800 worth of USDT, which I was able to trade for all of my cake tokens. So I was able to get roughly 65 cake tokens, and I have staked it in their auto compounding staking pool. So yes, I know this isn't technically swing trading yet, but I'll explain why. I wanted to start with cake because it has come down to this horizontal support level right at around $11 to $12. And so I wanted to scoop some up here. We can see that this is a level that it has bounced off of 1, 2, 3, and multiple times over here. So this does seem to be a very, very strong area of support. So I scooped some up at just over $12, and the price has already come up slightly since I made the purchase. So that's reason number one that I made it. Reason number two is that it is also down about 70% or so, maybe even a little bit more, since its all-time high. So right now, yeah, it's down almost 70 to 75% from its all-time high. That is, typically what you might see in, bear market lows. In previous cycles, bear market lows were actually 90 to 95%. But for a project like this, with this super strong support level, horizontal support level, as well as a lot of room to still run to the upside if this market is kind of resetting and going to get ready for another big parabolic run to the upside, this could yield some pretty awesome returns here as well if we get some more hype coming back into the crypto space. It's also one of the top 100 coins. I think it's right around number 40 or to 45. So it's a project that is very, well known. It's going to be used a lot on the Binance Smart Chain for all these transactions. And in addition, I can stake it and have those rewards be auto compounding over the Christmas holidays. So that's another one. I'm going to be taking off for about a week or so, and I don't want to be checking the charts every single day to try to figure out what the next project is that I should swing some of my profits into. I want to just relax and chill out. And so having a project that has come down to a very good support level with pretty good fundamentals, like really lots of use cases as well, and then also being able to stake it to earn some passive income while I just chill out at home for about a week, it's going to be, I think, one of the smarter plays that I could make at this point in time. Of course, there could be something that I am leaving out, like I could have gone into a different project perhaps, and it could, it could 10x over the next week, and I could have the challenge be over in a week. However, for what my situation is right now, I think that this seems to make the most sense. And so I have right now just over 65 cake, staking in there right about $808. So Canadian wise, that's just over $1,000. And so that is what I am starting this challenge with. If you would like to follow along on this challenge, please come on over and join me on Telegram. I'm also putting this into my Discord as well. So here is the challenge, Crypto Cabin 1K to 10K challenge. We've got a few active members in there right now. I just posted my first transaction in here. And then we've got a little bit of a conversation going on right now. So I will put this link in the description below. And then I'm also going to be updating you guys on my Discord, which I haven't been super active in, or really active at all in, but I'm going to be putting it in here as well, saying what my transactions are, how things are going for both my staking 1K to 10K challenge and then also for my swing trading 1K to 10K challenge. So that's it for today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the content and got some value out of today's video, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, then hit that subscribe button. It does help out a ton. And then click that notification bell and select all so you get notified when I post these new videos and you can stay updated as I go through this challenge. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I will see you next time on the next episode from the Crypto Cabin. Merry Christmas, everybody.